Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing mixed on Thursday as the Nasdaq and Dow Jones closed at record high levels. Shares in automobiles and components, consumer durables and apparel, and semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, they were under pressure, while shares in media, transportation, and banks all gaining momentum. On the economic docket, initial jobless claims increasing to 259,000 in the week ended January 21st, continuing claims growing to 2.1 million in the week ended January 14th, and decliners beating out advancers, 60% of SP500 constituents trading lower yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Starbucks posting first quarter diluted EPS of 51 cents versus 46 cents last year, with net revenues of $5.73 billion. Alphabet announcing fourth quarter adjusted EPS of $9.36 versus $8.67 a year ago on revenues of $26.1 billion. And Microsoft unveiling second quarter adjusted EPS excluding LinkedIn results of 84 cents versus 76 cents last year on adjusted revenues of $25.8 billion. Turning overseas now, Asian markets mostly higher today. The Nikkei up 0.34%, the Hang Seng down 0.06%, China CSI 300 up 0.36%, and South Korea's Kospi up 0.81%. European markets losing ground in U.S. futures calling for a flat start. In terms of expectations today out of the U.S., Chevron fourth quarter EPS seen at 64 cents. This while AbbVie fourth quarter EPS seen at $1.20. And we also have Colgate-Palmolive fourth quarter EPS seen at 75 cents on sales of approximately $3.9 billion. Turning over to the markets, the SP 500 sees the bias remain bullish, the relative strength index advocating for further advance, and long positions above 2289 are favored with targets at 2303 and 2308 in extension. Moving on, the Nasdaq sees the bias remain bullish, preferring long positions above 5139, and the Dow Jones sees the bias remain bullish, preferring long positions above 19,990.